Place all reinforcement hardware so it does not overlap or electrically interfere with the Cipher lock housing. When installing hardware near electrical Cipher locks, start by identifying the lock's mounting and wiring clearances from the manufacturer and mark them on the door and frame. Route all power and data cables through separate channels from high voltage lines and keep at least 2 inches of physical spacing to prevent electromagnetic interference. Use non-magnetic fasteners when screws must be within 3 inches of sensitive components and avoid long runs of metal that can create unintended grounding paths. After mounting any strike plates or reinforcement plates, test the lock's keypad and sensor functions at multiple points of door travel and with the door closed and latched to confirm consistent operation. If the lock uses a power supply, include a surge protector and verify the supply voltage and polarity before connecting to prevent damage. Where possible, install foam or rubber gaskets to isolate the lock housing from contacting large metal plates and to absorb vibration that can loosen connectors over time. Common mistakes include placing reinforcement plates directly over the keypad or wiring channels, which can pinch or short cables. Resolve this by dry fitting all hardware and routing wires before final fastening. Another issue is using ferrous screws or long bolts too close to the lock electronics, which can cause interference or grounding faults. Switch to stainless steel or brass fasteners and limit their length so they do not intrude into the lock cavity. A final frequent concern is failing to test the lock after every hardware change, which can leave subtle failures undetected. Adopt a simple checklist to exercise every function after each modification and log results so you can trace when a problem was introduced. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide practical guidance for projects like secure lock installations. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share real-world experiences and troubleshooting tips to help contractors find work and homeowners make informed choices.